Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add Python path in Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to begin, just open Visual Studio Code onto your device. Now once you're already in, so as you can see, I'm currently in onto a folder with my .py in here. So what we need to do in here is to add a Python path, and for us to be able to make sure first that Python is correctly installed onto your end, just go ahead here onto the left side and find in extensions. So here on extensions, you need to type in Python in here and make sure that that one is installed. So you should be able to see Python in here, which is this one. Just go ahead and make sure to install that onto your device to use this. So once that one is already installed onto your end, the next thing that you could do to add in a Python path should be able to see the Python version here onto the bottom part. So if you click onto that, it should open in here. So I have currently two, which is this one. These are the path that I have onto my end. But if you haven't added yours, and if, or for example, you have gone ahead and installed a completely new version, you'll just have to go ahead and enter in here the interpreter path. So simply click onto that and then you could find. So this will automatically open in here your local folders, and you'll just need to go ahead and search in here the path wherein you've gone ahead and installed that Python version. So let's go ahead and try to, for example, we add just that. So for us to be able to be faster, let's just search Python in here, which is this one. So we have this in here. You'll just have to select that interpreter, and that one should be added onto your device. And that one should be added onto your device. As you can see, it is loading. I don't think this will go through since we have added this already. But if this is a completely new installed Python, then it should go ahead and give you an option to add that. So I think we have successfully added that one in here since we have 3 Python path already. And that is just how easy you could add a Python path in Visual Studio Code. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.